opening the full set of McDonald's Trolls World Tour toys.
Toys. You get the full set of McDonald's Happy Meal Trolls World Tour. Drum roll, please. Okay, so let's
Get started. So I'm gonna be going first.
choose one first. Okay, choose one.
I'm gonna pick one of my characters, and I'm gonna do who's this guy? Oh, that man right there. You have that. Just pick it. I want my character, and I pick Branch.
Branch. Okay, so open branch.
Need some help?
This is party branch. Okay, let's open party branch.
So guys, I'm gonna be opening first.
Careful with your hands.
Actually, I'm open. I'll open.
Up, your hair, the hair of branch. Be careful. You might open. You might cut it off.
There.
Perfect. So let's
And
see.
Branch.
How does he look like?
He looks so. This is how he does it. Oh,
What does he do? Let me see.
he's like that. Look at this.
Ah, he's dancing. What's up? There. It's so cute. His hands are moving. It's like
That's the part
dancing.
when they sang.
Okay, next.
It's my turn. I'm gonna be picking Queen Barb of Heart.
Let me see.
Queen Barb.
This is Queen Barb. Oh, Queen Barb of the Rock. The Rock team. Okay, go.
Mama, look.
Branch is dancing. Let's see, Queen Barb.
She's so cute. Look
Okay.
at this. Look at the difference. Look at who's angry and who's happy.
Yes, this is a party branch.
Let's
then-
see.
What does she do? Let me see. Oh, she's rock and rolling.
Like,
Rock and roll. Show it. I have to press at the back for her to move. Let me see.
like that.
Okay.
And her crazy red hair.
Okay.
Okay.
Beautiful,
I'll
beautiful.
put her here.
Next.
My turn. I will do pop. I will do Guy Diamond.
Guy Diamond.
Glitter. Here he is.
Okay.
He does something. He does this.
I can see. Your hands are on the way. What does he do? Oh, dancing too. Okay, next.
Who wanna open? I wanna open King Trolls stuff.
Okay, and what does he do?
He wags his tail. I'm gonna choose Queen Poppy.
Queen Poppy, of course. Let me see. Okay, it's Poppy.
Party Poppy.
Okay, go. Party Poppy. Is that the name? Party
Her hair's long.
Poppy.
So don't cut. We got it. We got
Of course.
W-I-C-K-E-T. Ha, ha. She does this like Branch. She does the same thing as Branch.
Let me see. Okay, wow. They can do that. Yeah, rock and roll. La 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 la.
And they also have the same clothes. But look, can you see Poppy trying there?
Yeah, really shiny. Shiny, shimmering, splendid.
Okay, time for me.
Pick.
I'll pick Queen Delta.
Let me see. Delta Dawn. Okay.
What does she do? She just, she dance.
Let me see.
She does.
I can't have a good video. Okay. Why should okay, she's like shaking shaking her butt.
Okay, let's put the cider here. I'm gonna open. I only have 2 more here, so I'm gonna open.
Who is it? Let me see.
It's Biggie.
It's Biggie and show me the front. Biggie and Mr. Dinkles.
So this is
Mr. Dinkles
Yeah,
and
here,
Biggie. Okay, so open it, Audrey.
We have this.
Oh, Mr. Dinkles. You're covering his face. Okay.
He's still dancing.
It up. Okay. Where is Mr. Dinkles? Oh, Mr. Dinkles is there at the back. Let me see. I can see. Look. Oh. Oh, there's Mr. Dinkles. Hickory duck. Hickory the yogurt.
The yogurt thingy.
Yodelay. Is that it? Oh, it's his hat. And he's like, oh, it's so cute. Bringing it down. Next.
The same. I'm gonna open this because this is the last one.
What is it? Who is it?
The cloud.
Oh, I love the cloud. Show me the front. It's the clouds. It's cloud guy. Okay.
Let's open it. He doesn't have hair.
Is he wearing his socks?
He's wearing his iconic socks. This is what he does.
Oh, it's so cute. He's dancing. It's so cute of him, but he looks sleepy. Okay.
Okay, it's
next.
my turn, and the last one is Cooper.
I love Cooper because he poops cupcake.
Cupcakes and rainbow.
Cooper. Okay.
I love Dan so much. He looks so cool. Let's open it up. Oh, he looks like a even though he's a boy. Oh, he's wearing his skates and he dances.
Wow, he's so cute. Okay. So let's okay, this is Queen Barbs and then Cooper. And who's this? Guy Diamond. Who is this again? Hickory. Si Branch, Party Branch, and Party Puppy. Who is she again?
Delta.
Cloud Guy.
Biggie.
Biggie.
And Rolex.
I'm a cloud, yeah. What else? There's a baby of Diamond. Baby Diamond.
Guys, thank you guys for watching this puppy. Thank you guys for watching our video, and thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. That's enough for today. Guys, if you haven't seen our previous video, please watch it after this video. It's Queen of Me Mine and Beauty Unknown. Please watch it.
Yeah. Okay, don't forget to subscribe.
And follow us on our social media account and
Instagram account, which is
the Basca and the Basca Sisters. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
Puppy.
And there's one more. Baby Branch.
Is the angry branch? Baby branch. Bye.